Morning students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is sorting of materials into groups. Here you can see that all kinds of materials are separated in a separate box and they are presented in front of you. Yes, the chapter is the same. We are going to sort all the materials that we have in separate groups. Objects. What is objects? An object is a material that can be seen or touched. Now what is this? What does this mean? I think you all are seeing this video through your laptop or your tablet or your mobile phone. All these are objects. So let's place some examples of objects. There's a bed, a table, a book, and a pillow. All these things must be there in your rooms? Yes. So there is an activity for you. Jot down all the materials or objects that are present in your room. Properties of materials. There are various properties by which we will be separating or sorting the materials in a separate group. Let's see what the group's properties are. The first property being appearance. Appearance can further be divided into lustrous and non-lustrous. Hardness means soft and hard. Solubility, soluble or insoluble. Density, float or sink. Transparency, transparent, opaque or translucent. Let's proceed further. Appearance. Appearance is what we see. Now, appearance can be divided into lustrous. What is this lustrous? The term lustrous means something that a material that is shining. The example of shining material can be any metal. I have given you an example of a nail, which is a shiny particle. The second part of appearance is non-lustrous. Now, what is this non-lustrous? Non-lustrous means that the substance or an object is not shining. The example is a rusted nail, a cupboard, a door. Anything that is not shining can come under the non-lustrous thing. Hardness. I think you all must be having a pillow in your home. Once you hold a pillow, can you compress it or can you press that pillow? Yes, we can compress this pillow. So we can term it under soft. The first being softness. Anything that can be compressed once you are putting it between your hands and you can change the shape of the thing for some time is known as soft. The example of the same being a teddy bear or a pillow. Anything, a candle which can be pressed is also under the category of soft. Now hard. I think so you must be having a pencil in front of you. Can you compress it? A door, can you compress it? No. They are of hard material. They will not change their shape even if you are putting a heavy pressure on them. Let's see the examples. A cupboard, a stone comes under the category of hard. Solubility. This word solubility itself says that something that is going to dissolve in something. This means anything that is getting dissolved will be known as soluble. The first thing in this solubility property is soluble. Anything that is soluble in water will be a soluble substance. Example being sugar, salt, mud. All these are soluble. Once we put sugar in a plain water, after some time you will see that the sugar dissolves. If something gets dissolved, it is in the category of soluble. The second part of the solubility is insoluble. Insoluble is a substance that doesn't dissolve in water. If you keep it for some time, After you see it, the substance will be same. Suppose oil. If we are pouring oil in water and even after stirring it, you will find that the oil is separate. It will be there on the top layer of the water and it will not get dissolved in the water. There are many examples. Again, I would like to give you activity. Just find out different substances by performing an activity which are soluble and insoluble.